Right now, it is time to test if your dog is playful. Hold on. First, you have to take one comforter. It has to fit all the way over your body for this to work. Spread it out on the floor or on the bed if you have a big enough bed for your dog to run around on. But I'm doing this on the floor. Okay. Lay your dog on you. Let the dog know you're there. Please them and get them excited. And then call their name under the blanket. Milky! Milky! Get it! Milky! Just say random things, and your dog will keep trying to dig you out, and then act like you moved over here by pressing one hand up to rise at the blanket. Milky! Milky! And your dog will go for it, and then she'll realize where your face is, and then she'll start scratching you again, and it just tickles. And then if you move, she'll try to follow you wherever you go. And now she'll try to press his or her head up against the blanket, and then try to dig you out again. And then you can grab them, show them that you're still alive, act like you need help, need my help, help! And then they'll start digging for you even harder. And it's really fun to do. And if you move over, again, try to make a little move at the top. To turn over on your side, and then they'll try to find your face again. Kind of take your hand and block your head, so she won't notice your head. And then just keep pushing, grab them, and go, "Arr!" Let them bite you if you need comfort if they want, and then go, and then say their name, Milky, Milky, Milky. And then grab them again, and let them go. And then you can open the top and go, Milky, Milky. Milky, show where you are at the top. See him at the top? Milky, Milky. And then they'll realize you can try to get into there. Milky, Milky, Milky. And then, that's the test to see if your dog is playful. Bye-bye. Rate, comment, and subscribe.